Family. Now, the stimulus that they gave us back in 2020 was just kind of like a trick bag for us. Let me explain. Right? Now, what they kind of did was, y'all ever play Sorry? Right? You know, you get you pull a 4 card in Sorry, you got to move 4 spaces back. It's kind of what America did to us. They moved 3 spaces back in 3 years forward, right? Because understand, in 2020, gas prices, food prices was cool, right? We was paying $2.60-70 for gas, versus now it's about $3.50, $4 for gas. It's about double that right now. But they gave us the stimulus back in 2020, right? But the only reason they gave us the stimulus was because they got so much money for their budget if they gave us so much money in stimulus. This was an agreement, right? And all of these things took a part in inflation. And they actually, I'm not going to say they lied to us, but they misjudged transitory inflation, what they say, right? But I was telling y'all the whole time, the way the government's spending, I don't like the way they moving. Right? Because let me explain. The way the government makes money is that they lend treasury bonds. They sell treasury bonds, right? So you pay 5-10 grand for a treasury bond, but at the same time, they turn around and pay you interest every year on that bond based on how much you put in. And then at the end of that 3-5 year note, they give you the money back. Right? But what's been happening is that the government hasn't been balancing the budget correctly. Or let's say they've been misjudging the balancing of the budget, right? And giving money unnecessarily in places where they shouldn't have been, right? Because let's look at gas prices now. And let's look at gas prices in 2020. 2020, it was about $2.60-70. Right now, they're about $4. For gas prices. So now would be the time for a stimulus, right? But I've been telling y'all for years that the government is trying to switch over and get away from this money, right? And all of this is a bigger plot for them to throw an even bigger trick bag, right? And switch up the money and put us on the central bank's digital currencies. That's why I talk about Bitcoin and the crypto, and about buying XRP, XLM, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and Chainlink, different other ones, right? But we have to understand, the government caused this inflation by their misjudgment of finances, right? Now, what the government did was they spent so much money that now they can't pay the interest back on the money that they've been given. I love y'all, family. Peace.